So Cyanco started 25 years ago. Our original founder had the somewhat unique idea to, rather than building a chemical facility near the raw materials and feedstocks, which is what most chemical companies do, he decided to build a factory near the customers. The Carlin Trend in Nevada is the largest concentration of gold mines in the continental United States. More than 85% of the gold mined in the U.S. comes from this region and is within 200 kilometers of our facility. So we're doing hourly and multiple shipments per day to our customers, and it allowed us to develop this concept that we call a worry-free delivery, where we manage the whole process for our customers. We have telemetry in their tanks. We're monitoring their tank levels on an hourly basis. We schedule the deliveries, we dispatch the trucks, and we invoice them, and they never even have to worry about cyanide. That's our real concept, worry-free delivery. When we got our start 25 years ago, we were basically a small regional producer, really focused on Nevada. We started to expand that business model, and we started to distribute our solution sodium cyanide both into the Canadian markets and into the Mexican market via terminals in Canada and terminals in Hermosillo. So this model of having a local hub which is close to a mining region, a mining cluster, allows us to give that same level of service. Our owners have continuously reinvested in the business, and we've grown our capacity on a continual basis so that we're now the largest producer in the world with 165,000 tons. We built a factory for solid sodium cyanide, which primarily serves the international business, in the fourth quarter of 2012. And we've used this product to grow our business globally, shipping product to Africa, South America, Siberia. It really transformed us from a small regional player into the largest player in the world and really a global business. We're a little bit different than most other sodium cyanide producers. Sodium cyanide itself is a commodity. The molecule is a fungible commodity. My sodium cyanide is exactly the same as my competitors and my other competitors and my other competitors. So the molecule itself is not differentiated. How we try to differentiate ourselves is really via the service we provide and the advanced technologies that we provide to the miners. So we're working with miners from the very initiation of a project, 5 to 7 years before they even break ground on construction. We're doing ore samples, ore recovery studies, simulations to help them design their lixiviation circuits. And then once they're up and running, we have a number of advanced technologies that we either sell or give to our customers to help them be more efficient. We have solid to liquid systems, SLS, which dissolve the sodium cyanide at the site and dispense it into their circuit. We have cyanide control systems, which allow them to very tightly monitor and control the concentration of the sodium cyanide solution, which is quite critical. And then on the back end, we have a number of technologies that help the miners work with destructing and detoxifying the sodium cyanide. So we have several advanced systems that help them break down the cyanide and help them remediate it at the end of life. Sodium cyanide is a global market with regional competitive advantage. It is a market that is somewhat cyclical. Anybody that's been in this industry for more than 5 or 10 years, they can remember several times when sodium cyanide was globally on shortage and force majeure and almost impossible to get. We've been in business 25 years. We've never had a force majeure. We have never shut one of our customers down. So this reliability and worry-free delivery concept is really what we build our relationships around. We're a small company. We're privately owned, so we're able to have kind of very close familial relationships with our clients. We know them on a first name basis, and we got their back.